Hi, my name is Ahmad Sahar, and I'm the author of iOS 15 Programming for Beginners. This book is the 6th edition of the iOS Programming for Beginners series and has been fully updated for iOS 15, macOS 12.0 Monterey, and Xcode 13. You will start learning the foundations of Swift, the programming language used in iOS apps, and how it is used to accomplish common programming tasks. Once you have a solid foundation of using Swift, you will start creating the user interface of the Let's Eat app. With your user interface complete, you will then add code to implement your app's functionality. To display your data in a grid, you will use collection views. To display your data in a list, you will use table views. You will also look at how to add basic and custom annotations on a map. You'll see how you can use JSON files to get actual restaurant data into your collection views, table views, and map. You'll enable users to add ratings, reviews, and photos for a particular restaurant, which you'll save using core data. You now have a complete app, but how about adding the latest iOS 15 features? You'll start by modifying your app to work on both iPhone and iPad and make it work on Macs. Next, you will learn how to develop apps using SwiftUI, a great new way of developing apps for all Apple platforms. After that, you'll implement asynchronous and parallel programming using Swift concurrency, and implement shared user experiences for your app using SharePlay. After your apps are on the App Store, feel free to reach out to me at shah_apple on Twitter to let me know. I'd love to see what you have built. I hope this has been interesting and informative, and I hope to see you again soon. Stay safe and take care.